cake. But this one's a little bit tricky because it's in a shape.
Wow.
So watch super careful. We mixed up cake crumbs and frosting. This is going to be really different today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Tell us if you just love Pinkie Pie. She's so fun. Let's spread on our creamy, creamy frosting. Num, 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 num. You know Pinkie Pie loves her frosting too. And our trivia question. Who is Pinkie Pie's sister? Stay to the end to find out. Do you already know? Leave us a comment. Tell us who you think it is. Pinkie Pie actually has a whole family. But this is her sister, the one who studies rocks. All right, let's do some fun detail for her cute eyeballs. Don't you just love watching My Little Ponies? Do you have a favorite My Little Pony? Remember, as you're watching, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an awesome cake. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments who your favorite My Little Pony is. Is it Pinkie Pie? Or Rainbow Dash? Applejack? Twilight Sparkle? Don't forget Rarity! Then there's always cute Spiky Woiky. Aw, look how cute her eyes are turning out. So cool! Aww. All right, sharp knife time. Remember, when you're cutting, be super careful. We're gonna make some ponytails. Aw, they look so cute. Gonna add some texture to them too, though. All right, let's roll out our cake blanket. Now we're going to assemble Pinkie Pie. Take your time. Smooth it in. Super nice. Aww. Smooth it in super good with our cake irons. Smooth it, smooth it. Be super careful. Since it's a shape, it's a little bit harder. But don't worry, it's gonna look so cute when it's all done. Pizza cutter off the extra. Aww. Now take it away super careful. So cute. Aww. We're gonna help shape out the eyeballs a little bit. Be super careful. You guys ready for the answer to the trivia question? Who is Pinkie Pie's sister? It's Maud Pie. Did you guess Maud Pie? You'd be right. Cute little eyelashes. Aww. Doesn't she look so cute? Oh, she's turning out so awesome. Outline her eyes. Give her some eyelashes. So cute. That way she can flutter her eyelashes. Flutter, flutter. How cute is this? Aww. She looks so awesome. All right, time for some more modeling. Do you know what this is gonna be? Do you have any guesses? Did you say pony ears? They're pony ears! So cute! It's so she can hear you. Now her hair. Aww. She's got really fluffy curly hair. So cute! Lots and lots of curly hair. Remember, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments who your favorite My Little Pony is. Aww. So cute. Wow. How awesome is this?